This is copper nickel line, and to bend it, no bender required. Just your hands so far apart, but thumbs, and just bend that to the angle that you want. You can't go, haven't worked with this a lot, but you can't go real tight bends, it'll kink, but a 90 like that is super easy and nice stuff to work with. Supposedly this stuff will last for, well, longer than stainless steel brake lines. But this is a nickel copper brake line. It tends to be on the softer side compared to steel. But just found out about this product, and boy, it seems to be really nice to work with. Be sure and check out my other videos.